Good day. Today we're going to present to you our mass selection breeding program for cross-pollinated crops, especially corn. The objectives of our breeding program is to understand how mass selection works in cross-pollinated crops like corn. Next is to improve yield and performance of corn using field selection. Next is maintain genetic diversity while enhancing desirable traits. So, why use mass selection in cross-pollinated crops? Corn is a cross-pollinated crop, meaning the pollen moves between plants, maintaining diversity. Mass selection improves traits by choosing the best plant, while natural pollination maintains variation. In the Year 1 activities, we are planning to plant diverse corn population using mixed or local seeds. Next is, we are going to select top 10 to 20% of plants based on ear size, stalk health, maturity, and pest resistance. And the next is, harvest seeds only from selected plants. In the Year 2 activity, we are planning to plant seeds collected from Year 1 selected plants. The next is, repeat selection with same criteria. Next is, allow natural cross-pollination among selected plants. And next is, harvest seeds from selected plants again.
So in Year 3 activities, replant seeds from Year 2 selected plants and continue selecting and harvesting seeds from best plants so that we can choose the best cultivar. And evaluate population for yield, health, and maturity versus the original. So in Year 4 activities for this breeding program, plant seeds from Year 3's improved population. Then continue selection and harvest. And conduct final evaluation or assessment comparing the data from the improved population with the original or the previous population. So the estimated timeline summary of this breeding program is that the first generation, which is the initial planting and first selection, is 4 to 6 months, and the second generation, which is the reselection and improvement, begins 1 growing season. And for the third generation, further improvement and evaluation, one growing season. And for the fourth generation, which is the final selection and comparison, 1 growing season. In the total time is approximately 3 to 4 years. So a breeding program takes years to develop or to improve a certain trait. Some of the expected results of this breeding program is the improved average yield and plant health, maintain genetic diversity and natural cross-pollination, and last but not the least, better adaptation to local environmental conditions. In conclusion, this mass selection program offers a simple, practical way in improving corn varieties through repeated selection and natural cross-pollination. And improvements can be seen or made in 3 to 4 years.